Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Grindr's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Grindr account, firstly go ahead and open up your Grindr application. The official page of Grindr's application will appear on the screen. Now to log into your Grindr's account, firstly go ahead and enter your email address and password associated with your Grindr's account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. After entering your email address and password, click on login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on forgot password option. This is how you can log into your Grindr's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.